April 18, 2025 was a night full of surprises in the Nigerian entertainment world as Nigerian rapper Speed Darlington faced off in a boxing match with a street pop artist, Portable. The match took place after months of online drama. The two finally stepped into the ring. Speed Darlington shared why he lost his boxing match against singer Portable.
Shoulder can dislocate. I don't know what happened. Whether I did Juju report they will carry come. I never tire. My Lord, man, this thing just bam! Come on.
Speed Darlington, also known as Akpi, said he didn't feel tired during the fight, but something strange happened. He believes Portable used Juju, which means black magic, to win. He said his shoulder got dislocated in the first round. Even though it wasn't in sharp pain, he couldn't move his arm anymore. He explained in a video online. He also shared that he wanted to use the prize money from the match to build a swimming pool in his village. Now, he's sad he didn't win.
Because say I did swing wide. You say you break. I will not do this one now. There's no break. You just dislocated. But they don't put them back in. Ambulance stay there. So they put them back in. But they say if you continue, it will end up surgery. So I say, oh yeah now. So the thing when they pay me now all that money, when they go carry give Portable, we go use and they do whatever. Me, I won't build swimming pool for my village now. I don't know again. You know. Oh, he pay me. I for do my own juju.
Many Nigerians reacted to the news on social media. Some laughed, some said Speed Darlington should stop blaming Juju, and others said the fight looked like a script. Before the match, Speed Darlington had even bought a coffin for Portable after they insulted each other online. Now after losing, he left the ring with his arm bandaged and was taken away in an ambulance. What do you think? Did Portable really use Juju? Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.